Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku. In this additional, in not today's newspaper, no, today is Sunday and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, October the 2nd, 2021. We have two puzzles left in this additional, a Two Stars Sudoku and a tectonic puzzle. Yes, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3484. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, plus 4, 26 printed digits. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about nine in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then three missing numbers in the first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 5, and a 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One box left in the last row, in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay. Then, which number can I pick? How about these 5 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There and no 8 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 116? We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. Two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this big square. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. We have a 6 in this column and a 9 in this big square. So no 6 and a 9 in that box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and a 9. So the other 2 boxes in this row are the missing numbers. Are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about, let me see. Two in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there, the 1. We see there 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And 1 box left in this row. I believe the 5 is missing, okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see there 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those. That means we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in the last row. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. 2 missing digits in this column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. And the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. And the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. Let me mark those. two missing numbers in this big square. The other pair should be the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, let me mark those. Then. Okay. Five, five. How about 6? 6, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 169. 169. 69. Yeah. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. Two numbers left in the middle row, the 7 and the 9, 7 and 9, and look, we have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 9, okay. Then we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box is going to be 6 more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 7. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. One box left in this column. The 1 is missing. Yes, the 1 is missing. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And the final two numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow, faster than 50 minutes, so it's not really a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I solved this in 40 minutes, so a 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional of the Saturday edition. It will be a tectonic puzzle with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.